Microsoft replaces journalists with robots by Learn with News, Level 1. Microsoft is replacing its journalists with robots. Microsoft owns the news website MSN. MSN shows news from other websites. Journalists pick which news to show on MSN. About 50 journalists will not work for MSN anymore. They are being replaced with artificial intelligence. This is now being called robot journalism. Microsoft thinks the artificial intelligence can pick news stories. Some of the journalists don't think it can do a good job. They think it won't pick the right stories. Microsoft is trying to reduce costs. Many other companies are trying similar things. Companies want to reduce costs as much as they can. People are worried about losing their jobs because of this.